Okay, because I'm stupid, I forgot to tell you to download Java. So let's just search up Java. You once you're on the Java website, you're gonna want to accept all cookies because you want some free cookies. But actually, for real, you want to click download at the top, and then you want to click see all Java downloads. Then it depends what version you're on. Mostly Windows, I'm assuming. Like you want to click a Windows Offline 64-bit. You want to click it, let it download. It's only like 80 megabits, so it'll be download pretty fast depending on if your internet's any good. And if your internet's any good, then it'll take a couple of seconds, like me. Now, just open it up, install it like any other normal program, and hopefully you know how to do that. Hopefully I'm recording because it would be a shame if I'm not. Actually, I am. Lovely. Now you want to open Java setup. It would say I already have it installed. I'm just going to click install for the point of the video. So it just like went away. Oh yeah, you've successfully installed Java. Now once you actually do it, that means that you're all good and you can actually continue on watching the video. So if you're having any errors, this why. Yeah, alright, I'm done. Alright, bye. Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how you can create your own server for free, easy and simple. First of all, you want to start by creating a new folder on your desktop or wherever you want. You want to name this folder whatever you want. Once you've done that, you want to go into the folder and in the description you will find the Spigot jar file download link. You want to copy that and you want to paste that into your browser and it'll download the jar file straight away. You want to drag that into your folder and once you've done that, you want to go into the description and copy the second thing where it says Java dash that. You want to copy that. Copy it and then you're going to want to create a text file in the server. You want to call it stouts.txt and make sure that you have extensions enabled. At the top, you should see view, and then go to here, and then check file name extensions, and also check hidden items. That's very useful. Now you're gonna want to edit that start.bat, and you just want to paste it. And then you want to go back into the folder and copy the entire jar file name by Control A and then Control C. Then go into the file and select a server file name.jar and paste. And then you should be good. And you can see here, this is the amount of gigs that you want to give the server. I'm going to give the server 2 gigs, but this is personal preference. For example, as if I check, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. And for example, I could give it the entire 16 gigs, but I decided not to. So, you're going to want to save that, X out of it, and then rename it, and then put your mouse to the end and select the TXT and type this time we'll be doing the easy way. Now you got your start.bat. You just want to double click it, and it should start up the server. It should take a second, and then it'll say you need to agree to the EULA to run the server. Press any key, and then go to the EULA, and change that from false to true. Now start it up again. As you can see, it's loading the spawn. Do not do anything while it's doing this because you do not want it to corrupt the world or anything like that. Because if it does, that will not go well. It will just end terribly if the world gets corrupted. So make sure that nothing happens, and if it says any errors, then please leave a comment down below in the comment section. And yeah, hopefully I'll help you out. Now you want to make sure that the server is working. Just fire up your Minecraft, launch 1.8 or 1.8.9, and wait for your Minecraft to load up. You can just put your little console in the corner, and on my black screen, no I'm not, alright. Go into Direct Connect and type 0, and then click Join Server, and it will say Logging In. And as you can see, we are in this lovely brand new world that I just generated on my own computer. And as you can see here, everything is working. For example, if I want to do op, my username, that'll give me operator. You see, now we're going to install some plugins. As you can see, there is none installed because I tried to do GM1 and nothing happens. As you can see, no plugins installed. What we're going to want to do is we're going to do /stop, server closed, press any key. Now we want to go back into here and go into the plugins folder. Don't touch this folder because it's a very important folder. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the description and copy the link for Essentials X. That'll download a zip file, and that zip file will have all the essentials that you need. In the next video, I'll show the harder way. If you have WinRAR, that's amazing, but it's a .zip, so you do not need WinRAR. But if you have it, that is good. Just copy all the jar files. These are perfectly fine jar files. These are the correct jar files from online, from the websites. Just paste them in. It didn't copy them. Just drag all the jar files into the plugins folder, and then you have installed Essentials X. Now I'm going to show you a little trick. If you edit the start.bas, and if you see this, click enter in front of Java, then go to the very top and put in title and then space your server name. For example, for me, it's going to be Kid PvP. And then just close out of that and start the bat file again. Just wait for it to all load up, and hopefully we do not get any errors. If you get any errors, leave a comment down below, and I will try and help you. As you can see, it says done. That is lovely, in 4 seconds as well. It says you have no new mail, and that means it has worked. If you do /pl, then all of them are in green. Now I'm going to show you the next plugin that we're going to do, and it is called Vault, and basically it gives you it makes color codes work in color codes already work, but we want them to work in prefixes and that when you set up ranks, which will be in another video. Now go into your web browser, paste it in, and it'll download it straight away. Press keep. It is not a virus. It is 100% safe. I've been using Vault for a long time, and I haven't had any problems with it or any viruses. Now you have everything that you need here. What I will ask is, let's get VIA versions. It allows any version to join your server. Let's just copy that link. Let's go into Google, put it in, or any web browser that you like. you drag it into your plugins again. Now, in game, let's do /reload. As you can see, it will say this, but then it will say reload complete. If you do /pl, then it will show you the 2 new plugins they have worked. Now, we should be able to join on 1.16. I'm just going to fire up 1.16. Give me a minute. Now, my Minecraft is loaded up. 1.16. If I click proceed, now I've clicked proceed and everything is here. VIA versions is there. VIA versions allows it so basically any version can join. It's very useful because what if one of your friends wants to go on 1.8 and you want to be on 1.16? It's a very useful plugin and I highly recommend it. As you can see, everything has worked and I have joined a 1.8 server. If I press F8, then you can see that up at the top left it says Spigot server. That means that everything is working correctly and it detects that it's a Spigot server because it is. You can break blocks and this is normal if you want a plain survival server. Now let's make it so your friends can join your server. And let's port forward. Let's stop our server. Server close, that's correct. Close your Minecraft. Press any key to continue. You can close your file explorer. And now just search up CMD and then open it. You're going to want to do ipconfig. Now you want to copy your default gateway. This default gateway should be the same for everyone. It is also in the link in the description. Now you can see it here. Just give me one moment and I will be back. Now I'm just going to put in the password to log into the default gateway and so we can port forward. Okay, so last posted video where you put forward got corrupted. Isn't that great? So I need to record it. It's my third time. Alright, open up your web browser. You want, as we were talking about, is your default gateway. You want to, I'll be back in 1 second. Let me just log in. Okay, now that I've logged in, below that editor, now that I've logged in, it should be under advanced or security. Just find security might be under advanced. Just find security. And then you should find port forwarding. Well, it's like that for me. Just go, it definitely should be under advanced. Advanced and then security maybe. Or check security because most likely it's under security. Now go to port forwarding. Now you want to create a new rule. Now in that command prompt, I did ipconfig. Now I copied this and it's like that. Yeah, that's my computer's IP. Don't try to DDoS me, that won't do anything. Now local start port. You want to put in the port for the Minecraft server, and the default port is 25565. And I'm assuming you did not change it, so you want to put in 25565, not 225, because I put that in for 8 months and I didn't know why port forwarding wasn't working because I'm a complete dumb idiot. Now you want to put that in for everything under port, and then protocol. Both. If you don't have both, then you might have TCP/UDP. But if you don't have that, then you have to make two, one for TCP and another for UDP. But I have both, so yeah. Enabled. You might not have that, but if you do, then put it on. Click Add Rule. Now click Apply Changes if you have that. Now wait. Apply in settings. Let's go. Now hopefully it worked. Now let's fire up the server because why not? And hopefully it has worked. It's probably not a good idea with Premiere Pro open, but who the hell is the server? Am I blind? Oh no, I'm not. Start the server. Now hopefully this works, and then yeah. Then the thing was, can you see me? That's the website where you can check it. Again, links in the description for all the websites. 25565. And then when the server's online, yeah, it's online. Check post, and it's online. If it says if it says failed or something, then send me the error that it said. Send the screenshots into the description. And here's one simple fix. So search up firewall, and then you wanna turn it completely off, and then the next day you'll have 100 viruses on your computer. I'm joking, but actually try turning it off and see if it. You see, I live on the edge, so I just have it off all the time. So yeah, I don't have to worry about that. But that's another thing that it might be. And then there's also, if you don't know like the login stuff, there will be a link guide if you need help. That will be in the description. All this will be in the description. Most of the links that I've been to on this video will be in the description. Apart from maybe this, because you might have changed it and you don't know. But alright, now what was I even talking about? I don't even know. Alright, now that you've done that, yeah, you can just go into Minecraft, launch it up, and it should book. And also, how can your friends join? So basically, on Google, you need to search up what is my IP, and then you see this tin. Yeah, this tin. Myself, blow this in like 5 minutes. Except not the like first two numbers. Keep the first two numbers. The first two numbers are 18. What you want to do is you want to copy this. The first two numbers won't be blurred. You want to copy it, and then you want to give this to your friends. And then you see if you change the port, then you have to do colon. That tin's a colon. A colon, and then the port that you put in. For example, if you did 25598, then you'd give that to your friends. But if you did the normal port 25565, then yeah, do 25565. No, don't do 25565. Just do this. Just do your normal IP address if you didn't change the port. But remember, if you change the port, then you have to port for that port. I would say just copy the port on your clipboard. And then copy that, and then go here, launch up your Minecraft. 3 years later. I'm just gonna pause the recording. Okay, finally, 3 years later, we're in Minecraft. Now, you just wanna direct connect, and then to your IP address. Join server. Logging in, and you will be in. And your friends can also join this way. For example, you can just like jump around and crap. Yeah, it works. Hello, chicken. It can fly. Chickens can actually fly now. Rest in peace, chicken. Oh, I went to spawn. Anyways, yeah, this is how. But if you don't want, don't give strangers your public IP address, because that's very dangerous. Because people can boot you offline. Like most of my IP address was blurred for the video because this is going on the internet. Where that 3 creepers didn't kill me, but they blew me up in the air.